Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to make some creme brulee ice cream using Amoretti's creme brulee extract. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is to heat the milk and the cream. I know you've seen me do this a few times before. And some of the sugar. I'm going to save some to mix with the eggs. About half of it I think is good. So mix some of the sugar with the eggs and then some of it with the milk and the cream. And then we'll temper this in. And I'll put the extract in once it's done and it's cooled. So it's pretty warm. I'm going to start adding some cream into these eggs so we can temper it in a little at a time. It's just beginning to simmer. All right, so I'm going to put this back into the pot now that it's warm enough that we can add it. And I'll cook this to 82 centigrade. And once this gets to the right temperature, I'll take it off the heat and I'll add the extract, and then I'm going to chill it down before I put it into the refrigerator. This is now at 82. Okay, now we're going to add this. This is our beautiful creme brulee extract. This is a great flavor. Nice and nutty. All right, I'm going to put this in an ice bath because I want it to chill before we put it in the refrigerator. Let's add some water to this. You just want this to chill for a little while. And then you can put it in the refrigerator and let it sit overnight. It should sit overnight. And you put it in a container, put some plastic on top, and make sure the plastic is touching it so that no skin forms. And then you can put it in the ice cream maker and just follow the manufacturer's instructions. All right, so we have our creme brulee ice cream has been frozen, and you can do this in any ice cream maker. Follow the instructions of your ice cream maker. This is so delicious. It's nice and rich. This will give you a nice scoop if you rinse it a little bit. And I have made some Florentines. We have a link to that recipe that you can find on our site. It's a nice almond cookie. So this is a Florentine that was just twisted when it was warm. It's easy to do, but it looks so nice. So there you go. And you can also make them flat, or you can put them together with chocolate or drizzle them with chocolate. It's a nice little cookie. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel. We want to keep you updated on our discounts, our promos, and our giveaways. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook @Amoretti. See you next time.